welcome to Action Envelope. We're not just a website. We're a real company with real people, printing presses and technology. Today we're going to give you an inside look into what it takes to produce your order. Action Envelope has the largest selection of envelopes in all sizes, styles, and colors. And we really have them in stock, ready to ship, or to be printed with your design or return address. It all starts when you press the Place Order button. First stop will be in our pre-press department, where our team works on every order individually. We review your files and produce a PDF proof that you'll get to review and either approve or reject until you're completely satisfied. Once you approve your proof, your order moves into production, and the next step is plate making. If your printed envelope requires the use of Pantone inks, you'll be glad to know that we mix all of our own inks here using this special machine. These machines are specially made just to print envelopes. Your order is printed, inspected for quality, and shipped direct to you. So if you're a business, organization, or individual who needs envelopes, we can help, and we'll make sure that you're completely satisfied with our services.